I found using the phone a scary experience to start off with, but that's probably mainly due to my own technophobia. Once I got the hang of it, using it in Japan was quite fun, although the cost of sending stuff back was a bit of a shock once I got back. I've also enjoyed doing the blog experience. It's all new to me, so getting it going and up and running and interacting with other people's blogs has been really good. So overall, I'd say the experience has been a good one. Certainly has taught me a bit more about technology and not to be afraid of it.
Hi, my name's Mike. Talking about the phone, I found the phone perhaps wasn't as useful for the purposes that we intended to use it for as it might have been. I have been using the Palm Treo and find that it's more intuitive than the phone that we were given. I did find the phone useful for recording sounds, video, and still images, but in terms of its applicability to the blogging, not so good. There were fewer Wi-Fi spots than we were anticipating, and that was certainly a restriction. Thanks.
I thought using the blog was a really good experience because you can communicate with your family and that overseas by like showing them photos, and they can also find out where you are when you're in Japan, sort of thing. And also good when you come home because other members of your class can see what photos you've been taking, and also they can comment on your photos, and you can interact by doing that. It's a really good experience.
The e-learning was really valuable to try and work out what is possible with it. The blogging, I think, has worked in fits and starts and requires us to think about just exactly how we'll apply it in any particular circumstances. The phones are extremely good for texting because I can write whole words instead of bits of words, and the phones are also really useful for taking photographs when you are unprepared and suddenly need something to record with.
Okay, Penny here. We have used the mobile devices for our trip to Japan this year. It's been great for social networking, keeping in touch when we have had each other's correct phone numbers and details, and it's been good to take on-the-spot photos to supplement our digital images from our cameras and to send those to blogs occasionally. We have had technical hitches with that. As with the flower show project last year, it's been important to tie the device work with our assessments and with our group process, and I certainly think that's worth continuing on with for our flower show projects next year. It might be good to try a different phone. Some students have found the lack of intuitiveness a little difficult on the Sonys. Thanks.